So that's what it's gonna look like on the wood. Yeah. This might be a two-part series because it's getting kind of late already. So, and one thing I've learned is never to work late. Okay, much better. Daylight, I can see everything. It was getting a little bit hard to do all the stuff because wires kept touching because I was dealing with live wires or hot wires or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna get this done today. Watch. All right, so I was showing y'all this yesterday, how it was gonna look in the wood, and it's I have to use a square so I can make sure I have all of this right. It doesn't look crooked like that. And so yeah, so but first, before I do this, I'm gonna put some wood putty on this. Victoria's gonna come later and she's gonna start painting some of this cabinet drawers. So yeah, so I'm gonna put wood putty on this first. Okay, this is what I've done off camera. I just cleaned this up a little bit, just cut on heat shrink or shrink heat plastic dough on these. And so I'm gonna attach this now to this, and then it's gonna run through the power station, but I'm gonna attach these real quick. Moment of truth, everyone. We did have a little issue, but I think I got it. You ready? She's ready. I'm ready. Let's check it out. That works. That works. Yep. That works. So I have all of them connected. How do you feel?
It's great.
This one is a dead one. I got to return that back to Amazon. Yeah, that wasn't working. So, but they all work. This is gonna be our floor LED lights, and we're gonna have LED lights right there. So, all right, guys. Thank you. That's gonna be it for our channel. Victoria's saying bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Don't show me.
Yeah, that one's gonna go on. That's gonna be it for us. That's gonna be it for us today. All right, guys. So that's gonna be it for us today. We got our electricity. It's gonna look like that deal. Again, if you want to see where we got these LED lights or these switches, I do have a link down below. That's gonna have on Amazon where I got it from. This one's not working. I just got to return that back, and they'll just send me a new one. So, yeah. Thanks, guys, for watching, and hopefully see you on the next time. Thank you again to all the new subscribers. We appreciate you guys. We appreciate all of our followers. So, thanks, guys. Say bye. Bye.
Bye.